about nature. The sun is shining, the sky is blue, the birds are flying, and the breeze is so cool. Mother Nature is trying her best to give nothing but beautifulness. But what do? Just make her a mess. Let's make her the best by polluting less and less and preserve her greenness for kids and the rest. For kids and the rest. Will you join me to make her the best?